In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check tickets on Skyscanner. Skyscanner is a travel search engine, which means it helps you find flights and compare prices, but it doesn't usually handle your ticketing directly. If you've already booked, your actual ticket and any booking changes will be managed by the airline or the travel agency you chose at checkout. With that in mind, I'll show you what you can review inside Skyscanner, your price alerts and your saved flights, so you know where everything lives and what each section is for. First, open your browser and go to the Skyscanner website. Look to the top right of the page for the profile icon. It might show an avatar, an initial, or a small person symbol. Click that to access your account area. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account you normally use for Skyscanner so your saved items and alerts appear. From your profile area, choose Price Alerts. This is where Skyscanner keeps track of routes you're monitoring. You'll see the destinations and dates you set alerts for, along with the latest price updates. Think of this page as your early warning system for fare changes. It helps you decide when to book, but it's not a booking record. You can open an alert to review details, adjust notifications, or stop tracking if you no longer need it. On the Price Alerts page, take a moment to scan the list and the most recent price movements. Alerts often include the last time Skyscanner checked prices and may show historical shifts, which can help you spot patterns. Remember, these alerts are based on live searches, so they guide your timing, but they aren't proof of purchase or a ticket receipt. Next, head to Saved Flights. This is where any itineraries you've favorited are stored. You'll see options you previously liked, including airlines, times, and the sites where those fares were available. Opening a saved flight lets you revisit the exact itinerary and compare providers again. If you decide to proceed, Skyscanner will send you to the airline or agency to complete or manage a booking. Your confirmed ticket, if purchased, will live with that provider. A quick reminder as you wrap up, checking your ticket status, seat changes, or refunds will always happen with the airline or travel agency listed on your confirmation. Skyscanner can help you refine the deal you saved or keep an eye on prices, but it won't show your boarding pass or booking reference unless the provider shares it back through their site. And that's it. You've seen where to find price alerts and saved flights, and you know where your actual ticket is managed. Thanks for watching.